And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com.
We begin this evening with news from the courts. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has been granted leave to seek judicial review in his battle with the Integrity Commission.
It is the latest development in Mr. Holness's legal challenge of the IC over his statutory declarations. The details in this report.
Justice Althea Jarrett, in her ruling, indicated that the Prime Minister can proceed to seek an order of certiorari, quashing the August 30, 2024 Integrity Commission IC report. Mr. Holness also has leave to petition the court for an order of certiorari, quashing the IC's special report, except for the section where the IC urges the Parliament to develop a policy and legislation to deal with the commercial and corporate activities of ministers of government and the likelihood of conflicts of interest arising. The judge also rejected the Prime Minister's application for an order of mandamus, compelling the IC's Director of Investigation, Kevin Stevenson, to recommend that he should be exonerated of culpability in relation to his 2021 and 2022 statutory declarations. The application was refused on the basis that the court cannot and will not usurp the decision-making powers of public bodies and public officers. The Prime Minister's legal team welcomed the ruling. The attorneys Georgia Gibson Henlin KC and Senator Ransford Braham KC issued a statement this afternoon arguing that the ruling now gives Mr. Holness the opportunity to challenge the decision of the Integrity Commission and its Director of Investigation. The lawyers also contend that Prime Minister Holness does not require permission to apply for declarations. Therefore, the 23 declarations for relief will be included in the claim that is now fixed for first hearing on January 7, 2025. Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.